A few months ago, I received this really cool Click and Grow 25 garden. It's a really awesome addition to the rest of my garden space. It comes with 5 trays with 5 pods that you can grow 5 plants in once a week. Underneath the trays, you have a very large reservoir of water that's good for at least 2 weeks. When the water's low, the app will tell you, and it will always flash like this so you know to refill it. Here, I'm filling the pods for the last week of my growth cycle. I will then cover it for a few days until it sprouts, and then I can remove the cover. Let me show you when it's time to harvest one of the trays. So this tray on the right is ready. So I will remove it, and I have this other little handle to remove the tray. And then I can just go like this. It's super easy, and you lift it up. You don't drop it, you lift it up, and you put it into that other holding tray. You then fill that holding tray with water. I bring it in my kitchen, and then I can keep this lettuce on my kitchen counter for a week. I always fill one bowl every few days.